Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Greek salad at home using a super easy method. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll want ripe, juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and a sharp red onion. Don't forget the essential Kalamata olives, creamy feta cheese, and a high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Dried oregano is also key for that authentic taste. Let's get started. Now, let's prepare our fresh vegetables. First, dice 2 large, ripe tomatoes into nice, bite-sized pieces. Next, take 1 crisp cucumber and cut it into similar chunks. For a bit of a kick and a lovely crunch, thinly slice about half a red onion. Once all your vegetables are prepped, combine the chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onion in a large mixing bowl. This forms the vibrant base of our Greek salad. With our vegetables ready, it's time to add some classic Greek flavors. Carefully add about 1/2 cup of pitted Kalamata olives to the bowl. Next, crumble or cube approximately 4 ounces of creamy feta cheese directly over the vegetable and olive mixture. Now, gently toss all these wonderful ingredients together. You want to ensure everything is well combined, but be careful not to overmix, so the feta maintains its lovely texture. It's looking fantastic already. Finally, let's create our simple yet flavorful Greek dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil with 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Season this with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good whisk until it's well combined. Now, pour this delicious dressing evenly over your prepared Greek salad. Give it one last gentle toss and serve immediately to enjoy its incredible freshness and vibrant flavors. Enjoy your homemade Greek salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.